Hello everybody. Today on the workbench is one of my Gramps homemade yard art type things. This goes along with the wind, and the propeller spins with the wind, and at some point, I don't remember what happened, the base broke off of it, so I got to drill a hole and screw that on there, and it should be good to go. This goes on one of the clothesline posts. So I'll get an appropriate drill and get that going. Let's see if this works. I put just a little bit of glue on it. I think so. Got a new post on it, and I will go put this back up. So there it is, back on its perch. Here's the other one that did not get damaged. That's what the original stake looked like. So once again, this has been Fixing the Gramps Homemade Yard Art. Thank you for watching.